Hello, this is Diana from Yarneddies here with a quick video to demonstrate how to single crochet into the back bump of a chain. The first step is to locate the back bumps of your chain. If you rotate the chain, you can see and feel the small bumps on the back, which look different from the V's on the front of the chain. Next, locate the second stitch from the hook and insert your hook into the bump and single crochet as you normally would. You may have to coax the bump open with your finger to insert your hook. Once you crochet into a few back bumps, it will become a bit easier to see. Continue until the very end of the chain. Sometimes crocheting in the back bumps may tend to tighten the chain stitches. Crocheting in the back bump creates a clean and neat edge to your work. This can be especially useful when making bag handles, coasters, and other projects that require a finished edge. Thanks for watching this Yarneddies crochet quick tip video. Please hit the like button and click on subscribe for more crochet quick tips.